Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan Mizraki. I'm here with Polar Racking. I'm the U.S. Director of Sales. Wanted to show you guys today our PRG 5-degree ballasted system. This is a fully grid-tied connected system, meaning that it's fully interconnected on the roof from ballast tray to ballast tray, which improves weight on the roof, so lower weight, easier installation. Everything is pre-aligned and pre-measured for you. And then I wanted to highlight some of our clamping system as well. So we have here the end clamps, right? And then you're gonna slide in your module on the top here for your top row clamp, right? So everything is mounted in the green zone of your panels. And lastly, I wanted to show you this cool little bracket here that we offer as well for your optimizers or microinverters, whatever you may need. So we have an optimizer bracket here, connecting your Solar Edge optimizer in this case for easy installation. There's a lot of hardware and accessories we could offer as well. Everything that you see here is included, from the recycled rubber mats. We have mats underneath our ballast blocks, and then you have the three main components being our left runner, right runner, and then over here you're going to see our inter-row ballast spacer as well. So Polar Racking, love to hear from everyone. Give us a shout, give us a call, and we'll talk to you then. Thanks again.